Hello, everyone. I want to welcome you to Willadine's Travel. Hope you're having a good day today. My name is Donald, and my sister's name is Jerry, and we are your professional travel advisors. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to look and navigate through our cruise sheets that we send to our customers and clients who are interested in learning more about the cruise that they're interested in booking, or that we're booking for them, or that they just want more information on. So you will get an email in your email from us with a caption in the title. This one is Virgin Voyage Scarlet Lady 4-night sailing. So inside the body of the email, you will see a link that says view details. If you click on the link, it's going to open up the cruise sheet, and here you see you have my information here, my email address, and my phone number. If you received this from my sister Jerry, you will get her information here. And it comes from Cruise Planners, of course. And then you have three icons up here at the top right of the screen. You have the printer icon in case you want to print this. You have a video icon to go to our video page, and you have a Facebook icon. As most links, if you click on the icon, it will bring you to our Facebook page by clicking on the Facebook icon. If you click on the video one, it will bring you to our YouTube video page, where you can see our videos and the things we have posted on there. So those are quick links to our other pages. The cruise sheet itself is a 4-night Bahama cruise. It's on Virgin Voyages. The ship is the Scarlet Lady. It leaves on Thursday, November 19th, and it returns on Monday, November 23rd, 2026. It leaves out of the port of Miami and is visiting Miami, Key West, Bimini, and it comes back to Miami. This has 122 days until departure. That was the day of departure when this cruise sheet was produced. We also have the quarters or the cabins that are available for you to book. As you can see, there's a price by the cabin. This price includes taxes and fees for 2 passengers. So this is the taxes and fees and the full cruise fare for 2 passengers. This is a suite. The stateroom type is a suite. This is one of their exclusive high value suites here. So you have that, and then you have another suite below this. This is the Brilliant Suite, and then there's another suite here, the Seriously Sweet Suite. And as you can see, as we go down the page, the cabin fares or the cruise fares go down for the cabin. So we have down here a Sea Terrace is a balcony cabin on Virgin Voyages. And as you can see, the price here is $2,040 for 2 passengers to stay in this balcony cabin. You have a Sea Terrace cabin, another Sea Terrace cabin here. And as you can see, the prices are going down as we scroll down the page. You have a limited view Sea Terrace balcony cabin, and then you have a Sea Terrace guaranteed cabin, and then you have another Sea Terrace cabin here, and the Insider Guarantee cabin. If you come down, keep scrolling down, you're going to see 5 tabs: itinerary, ship, decks, ports, and shore excursion. The itinerary tab is simply telling you where the ship is going to be on which day of the trip you're going to be on. There's a map over here as well that you can expand. And then if you click on tab number 2, which is the ship tab, it tells you everything, or not everything, but a lot of stuff about the ships that you may want to know. This ship was built in 2020. It has a capacity of 2,770 passengers when fully booked. It does have a casino on board, 4 elevators, 20 restaurants, a disco, nightclub, bars, 20 bars, fitness center, then some other information here as well. Then you come down to the ship categories. These are the stateroom cabin categories here, and each one has a picture and a description. If you click on the picture, you will see the picture will expand to give you a better view of what the cabin looks like on the inside. As we go down, it has every cabin category available on the ship, so you can see what type of cabin you may be staying near, at least get a picture of it before you set sail. Then if we keep scrolling down, you have the dining. There are 20 different restaurants on board the ship. That's not including the main dining room and the buffet area. So you have a burger bar. If you click here, you can see a expanded picture of the burger bar. Then down over here, we have the Ship Eats. This is kind of like your late night 24-hour delivery service, like room service. As you can see here, this gentleman is out on his balcony enjoying his Ship's Eat that was delivered to his cabin. If you keep going down, you will get to the entertainment. So you have the clubs, you have the lounges, you have the nightlife clubs, the campaign lounge or champagne lounge. You have the dock area here. These are just different areas throughout the ship where you can be entertained or entertain yourself. You have looks like the karaoke bar right here. And this is the manor. I'm not sure what this is, but that's why you're going on the ship. You want to explore and see the great things that they have to offer. Looks like this is the showroom area down here, and then you have a social club. Looks like they're either playing air hockey or something there as well. You have health and fitness. You have a fitness club. You have a beauty salon. You have a gym and tonic. Looks like a juice bar setup where you get some very good, delicious wellness juices for yourself. You have workout classes, Squid Ink. Oh, this is a tattoo parlor. I didn't know that. They have a tattoo parlor on board the Virgin Voyage ship. So you can find out information about the ship that you may not already know, and that can help you plan what you're going to do while you're on board the ship. So now if we go to our next tab, it's the deck tab, and you can see the various decks from deck 4 up to deck 17. If you look and want to know where a location is on the ship, let's say we click on deck 15 here, it expands up. You can see they have the aquatic club here. They have the galley, which is their buffet area. And then they have some cabins up here as well. So if your cabin is on deck 15 and this little magnifying window comes up, you can view your cabin. Then on deck number 10, same thing. This is mostly cabins, and you can see if your cabin is forward, midship, or aft. Like I said, this little magnifying glass window comes up to tell you the cabin number. And next to the deck tab, we have the ports. So this is a good tab because it tells you which day you're going to be in which port. The first day you're going to be in Miami, and on the 5th day you're going to be in Miami. It tells you about Miami and activities in Miami that you can read up on. Day number 2, you're going to be in Key West. There's information about Key West and activities in Key West. Day number 4, you're going to be in Bimini, and it has information here about Bimini, and it has a destination guide. It says click here for the destination guide. And if you click on that, then this guide will come up to tell you a lot more about the Bimini. So, and our last tab is shore excursions. So click on shore excursions. You will see the various excursions you can go on and the price that they cost when you're in Miami, Florida. You scroll down, you have Key West, Florida, the excursions and destinations. Now imagine if whatever cruise you're going on, you will get the information for those ports that cruise ship will be visiting on. And then you can decide which tour or which excursion you may want to go on while you're on board the ship. And then let's see, down here at the bottom, they have some information about travel, protection, insurance, and you can learn more about it. And you can also get a quote there. So just to give you some information about the cruise sheets and what they have to offer. And we want to let you know if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We love hearing from you. We will be more than happy to answer your questions. And we want to thank you. My sister Jerry and I want to thank you for viewing our videos, and we hope to hear from you soon. Have a nice day.